Hey guys, what's up? This is me again, Samurai Trader. This is my first time doing a video, a recording with my face in it. Yeah, the main reason behind me not putting my face was because my family doesn't support what I'm doing. So I am still kind of like doing this behind their back. They don't believe in trading. They've seen many people like who've lost their money through this. Uh, people who have like broken relationships through trading. So my point, so my idea going into this, like starting this YouTube channel, was like I'm going to do faceless videos, and I'll see if my channel grows from that. So from what I've seen, from what I've learned happening on YouTube, I've seen like a lot of new channels, new trading channels by new traders, African traders and otherwise. So what I've seen is like almost everybody gets their face on video. What that helps, like it helps, create that connection where the person behind the charts, the person like explaining things to you. You can actually get to connect with the person. So this is going to be my first video with my face in it, and also the rest of the videos are going to have my face in it, so that you see my reactions, you see how I look, just how I look, get to connect with me. So that's it. So let's go to the trading charts. So I'm using like TradingView. It's the free TradingView. The title of this video, I've titled it Trading the Trump Speech. So let me show you what I was looking for starting this week. I'll definitely do another video of the previous week. I couldn't manage to do the video. I had exams, so I just finished my exams last week, and then the weekend came, got a little bit sick, got busy, so I couldn't do much. I couldn't be sitting on my laptop, recording all the trades I took and all the trades I paper traded in all the trades. Just I watched, penning through. So this is let's go to our weekly chart. This is our weekly chart. Let me remove this. I put this yesterday. Let me also remove this and remove this, and also remove this. So this is it. This yesterday was a new week. We saw the end of the week. This was last week. Yesterday was a new week, which started on Monday, 20th of January. So on the going new week, honestly, I was expecting price to go low. I put my my market bias. What I was expecting, I was expecting price to maybe tap on this high, like on this high, just take the liquidity on this high and then go low. Maybe it will do that. Like today it's only Tuesday. The week is just beginning, and we see always the week begins by making a manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So maybe this is part of the manipulation. But that was what I was, what I was thinking, what I had in mind with the last week, that it was going to be a down closing week, but actually it ended up being a green candle. So I'm still up on my bias. I'm waiting for this weekly fair value gap, to be traded to at least half. You see, this last week's trade, it only traded to the, just above, just below the first quarter. So so I'm still expecting, this to be filled. It might not get filled. We don't know. There's this volume imbalance. Let me highlight it. If things go otherwise, like if price goes above this high, then this is going to be our target. This is going to be our target, and also this relative equal high is going to be our target. Yeah, that's kind of the bias on a weekly time frame. I'm still waiting for this to to go down. I was thinking maybe with Trump being in office, things are going to be different. The dollar is going to go high, or maybe I'm mistaken, but we'll see. So let's see with my bias what I was able to do yesterday with that bias in mind, expecting price to first make a Judas swing, take out the buy side liquidity, then retrace to fill this favorable gap. So that's what I had in mind. Of course, it didn't go that way. The majority of the trade was of the price movement. It went up. So on a daily chart, well, Monday as usual, we expect a Judas swing. So, but I wasn't expecting such a swing to be high like this. But after looking at it yesterday, I saw it's kind of reasonable. We have these relative equal highs. Which are yet to be traded to, and yeah, something like that. In this high, this favorable gap, which was not filled, it was only like traded to half the point. So with this week, if price doesn't retrace maybe on Wednesday, just shortly taking this high and retraces to this, but if it breaks, these highs, creating a favorable gap, then that means the bias of the whole week and maybe the following week and February, I'll be expecting high prices. But for now, let me just show you what I was able to do, how I was able to trade the retracement, during the Trump speech. So let's go straight to 1 hour chart and see what's up on the 1 hour chart. So as you expect, on the 1 hour chart, we saw price on the 13th of January, Monday. It took the the low created on Thursday, the 2nd. So this was price movement. It went down. This was good. I was expecting it to do so. It went down. Price took out this sell side liquidity. That was on Monday. Price went to all this sell side liquidity, and then the next target was this, relative equal highs. I see these highs are also relatively equal. So maybe this is our next target, just for buy stop, not on a high time frame. So this is it. Buy side liquidity. So what price did? Price went below this. This showed a swing. It went below this. This was a swing high. Market structure shift. This is market structure shift. And then it went above also this high, creating a favorable gap here. Another market structure shift. Creating a favorable gap, and a favorable gap here, and a favorable gap here. You see it in the 15-minute time frame. Then the rest of the week, last week, from Wednesday, it was just trending. It was called consolidating. It was just consolidating. So opening this week, this was Sunday. Sunday's open. Opening this week, and then Monday. So what price did? So now this is the 1 hour chart. You see what price did. Explaining why was price moving to the upside. We first saw this shift in market structure. Price traded to this favorable gap. Price traded to this favorable gap. 1 hour favorable gap. Price to this 1 hour favorable gap. Another shift in market structure. Price traded to this. This is a breaker supported by this favorable gap. Price traded through, retraced, and consolidated, then went higher. So, and just today it falls short of this, of this buy side liquidity. So what I was able to see today, going on the 15-minute time frame. So I was actually in shock. Today was a bank holiday, a USD bank holiday. I wasn't expecting the price to move like early like this. I was expecting price, to the volatility to be high at the start of the Trump speech and during the Trump speech. But actually, it was it moved like way beyond my expectation before, just hours before. Maybe it was 3 hours before. That's 8:30. Then the speech was at 12 noon New York time. So the speech was at this time, and then the price moved like at 8:30. Like I wasn't expecting that. So what was going on in my mind when I decided to take this trade? I saw this movement. I saw it as manipulation. Usually the market does this, just before the big news. You see price doing sketchy things, like this. I saw it as a Judas swing for me. That's what it was. I saw like maybe they want to catch traders, the novice traders, into they want to trick them into thinking that the market will continue going high just after the high impact news, which was the Trump speech today. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, that's good. That's my Judas swing. So I saw it as my Judas swing. Then I went to the 5-minute time frame, looking for my previous low, just after a crazy up movement. So what I saw this low. So I took my trend line, put this low. Like the lows were broken. Actually, this was actually way clearer on the GBPUSD. So I took it as a break, as a break in the market structure. After this small break in small market structure shift, so I also took this as a market structure shift, creating a fair value gap here. Let me make it big so that you can see. Let me make it big so that you can see. So this was the fair value gap in the 5-minute and the order block on the 5-minute and the other block on the 5-minute. So this is what was going through my mind. Usually I take 10 pips stop loss. I wasn't expecting price, to move above, to go beyond this this breaker, because I was expecting, Trump speech to go, to cause this liquidity injection. So my target was just below this. It wasn't much. I sent this on my Telegram channel. That was my target. That's 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Usually I don't trade 1:4 risk to reward ratio. I only target 20 pips. So I could have been out after this, but I was expecting, a volatility with that speech coming through. So this was my target, 1:4. So this was my target. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's more of it. That's what I was seeing during this market, like speech and whatsoever. That's what I was expecting. I was even expecting it to go beyond, and to take these lows, and maybe this 1 week fair value gap that I mentioned. So yeah, that's what it is. So after seeing this, seeing this week, I knew that the price was going to retrace, because these are also relatively highs, and I don't trade the afternoon session, the New York afternoon session for Forex. I used to do that just for indices, but for Forex, I closed my trades. I went to do what I was doing, continued watching my series. Yeah, that's the thing. So let me show you what I was also seeing on the GBPUSD. Now this was more clear, even on the 50-minute time frame. This swing low being broken, price actually closed. This was like more clear. I was like, yeah. Now we see that retracement. So this was more clear. price actually closed below this swing low on a 15-minute time frame, then created this fair value gap on a 15-minute time frame, this entry about stop loss above this, above this downward candle, and a target of at this, minimum target, this something like this, minimum target, something like this. You see on the 5 minutes where I make my entries. So yeah, basically that's it. That's what I was looking at. So if you see, there's also SMT, the GBPUSD make this low high, but the euro couldn't make this. It made a relatively equal high. So I was like, yes, price is going to move down, like go big. But actually it didn't go as much as I expected. But this was enough to catch a trade. This one 1:2, 35 pips. Yeah, something good. Usually I only go for 20 pips, like 1:2, 10 pips stop loss, target 20 pips, 1:2. And that's it. So price actually went, retraced, took all these highs, and then went back again, took this lows. As you can see, this is the time now, the New York Central Time. Yeah, so I don't know what the price holds. You see these relative equal highs created. This is definitely going to be attacked. And on a 1 hour time frame, we see this imbalance. Yeah, so maybe actually price is retracing now. Maybe it's not going to go as I was expecting, like for the rest of January for prices to keep going low. But we see there are always price movements, because for the GBPUSD, I was expecting price to go to take these lows, and for the euro, I showed you what I was expecting. I was expecting price to go to at least the midpoint of this weekly fair value gap. So we'll wait and see what the market orders. Yeah, but basically that's it for the forex. And then for the indices, they performed better. Yeah, the indices, they actually performed better, no doubt. They actually performed better after the speech. It only retraced. Yeah, they performed better. Yeah, they performed better. Yeah, big price movements, big price movements. So that's it, guys. That's it for me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I'll be doing more videos, showing you my trades, showing you my executions, and I hope one day I'll also be doing live executions, like live trading. But till now, I'll just be doing this market recap and bias, in market forecasting. Subscribe, guys. I'm looking forward to doing this for a while. So subscribe, like and subscribe. For criticism, positive criticism, you can write down in the comments below. Till I meet you next time. Goodbye.